welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I am Ysay and I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorial every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I create this look using this Cara Duo palette. This is how the palette looks like. It comes with this cardboard insert. And at the back, it shows the shadows, and this is the palette, and I'm gonna show you the colors, the shadow. I love the color story of this. It has lots of pinks and some peachy colors, which is very good for spring. So if you wanna see how I create this kind of look, and if you want to see more looks that I'm gonna create using this palette, please keep watching, and I'm gonna show you also the swatches of this video. So I hope you like it, and let me know in your thoughts and comments down below. Already primed my eyelids using my Milani eyeshadow eye primer base, and my first eyeshadow that I used is Embrace Me, and I'm placing it over my crease as a transition shade and blending it well over my crease. Shadow that I used is Love Line, and I put it over my crease and blending it together with a transition shade. Dipping my brush to Don't Blush Me shadow and placing it over the crease to create a pop of pink. The fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending it well to avoid harsh lines over the crease. Using my small blending brush, I'm dipping it over the shadow all in one. It's a black shadow, and putting it over my inner V and creating a depth and making like a smoky kind of vibe. Using my flat shader brush, and I'm just spraying it with a makeup setting spray so that I can grab more pigments. I'm using the Charmer eyeshadow from the palette and just tapping it gently and building up the colors to my lids.
Using my small smudger brush, I'm dipping it on the shadow love line and putting it on my lower lash and blending it well. Think I'm satisfied with the look, so let me pop up my mascara and my eyelashes to give you the final look. And I'm using the Sephora eyelashes for this look.
This is the first and second row of the swatches, and this is the second row. Oh, sorry, the third and fourth row. This is the third row, and this is the fourth row, and this is the final row. So very good pigmentation. Are all the swatches in the shadows. And this is the final look that I have created using my Cara Duo in Gentle Teaser Palette. So my final thoughts, I love the palette. Actually, it comes in 2 or 3 or 4 kinds. So, but I only grab the Gentle Teaser, and I have the other one, You Had Me at Aloha. This is the packaging, and this is the color story of the palette. If you want to see some looks and some reviews with this other palette, please let me know in the comments down below. And with this one, I love the peachy vibe of the packaging. I like it because it's thin and sleek and not bulky. I love the color story. It brings like a springy kind of vibe, lots of peaches, pinks, and you can also do some smoke or neutral colors using this palette. So if you wanna see me doing some more of the looks using this palette, please let me know in the comments down below. And there are some mattes and shimmers in it, and it is very good. With regards to the shadows, they are very pigmented. There are some kick-offs on some of the shadows on the pan, but it doesn't really matter to me. And some shimmers like this one and this one that I used, some little fall off, but not really that huge, like a big problem, but I love it. And with wear test, I've tried it also, and it really lasts long. It doesn't fade easily at like 8 to 10 hours, so it sticks in your face and has a very good color payoff. So, and it is very affordable too as well. I got this at Marshall's for $12, and I think on their site it retails for 15 to 20. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna link down below the site for this palette. And yeah, it's worth your money. It's very affordable, lots of shadows that you can use, and very pigmented, and wear test, it lasts longer. And if you want to see more of the looks that I can create using this palette, please comment down below, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and click the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.